Okay, we Pankaj Kumar from ARK, Delhi office, Noida office. So he is going to give us a basic training on live view. So first, let him give an introduction of live view. What is it, and what are the features of it, and what we can do on field. And he'll explain us about the receiving part also. The two servers we have in our ingest room. Thanks, Pankaj ji. You can start your.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So good morning, everyone. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pankaj Kumar. So basically, I'm from ARK. Now today, I'm going to explain you about 600, 300, and the server which you have, the LU2000 MMH server. So basically, that is the backpack technology, and that in 600. First, we talk about the 600. So in 600, basically, it's a HEVC product. So in that, we have total 16 SIM cards. But by the time the 8 SIM card will be the active, so we can change the SIM card from A to B, depend on our requirement. Then the store and forward facility is there, and store only the recording facility is there, and apart from that, the video return facility is there into the system. So Chetan sir, can you please just show this unit the physically on the camera so that I can give you the small brief. So basically, this is the unit which is handling with Runpal. So this is the front display menu. So it's a touch screen. So once the unit will be on, so you can see each and every settings of like how many SIM cards is currently connected and at which server you are going with, and whether you are going on the live or whether you are going with the store and forward or only the store facility. So in that from the left top left there is a button which is the power button, and the second is the setting button, and third one is the we can say the signal menu button. So from that we can see how many SIM cards currently connected with the unit. And apart from that, if somewhere we found that there is a good Wi-Fi, so if we need to connect that Wi-Fi, we can connect from there. Ranpal ji, can you open that Wi-Fi menu and show them how we can add the Wi-Fi into that?
Which Wi-Fi you have connected?
Okay. Then when we are talking about the SIM cards, so the SIM card will be installed inside the unit. Ranpal ji, can you open the unit?
Yes, just wait.
Oh, okay.
This is the backside screw. Okay.
Yes, and slide the cover very slightly. It's a very gentle cover, so you can just slide that cover like that.
Simply, sorry.
Open it. Open. Yes. So these are the SIM cards basically. How we can count this? The numbers are already mentioned on the unit, but the outer side is the from left to right is 5, 6, 7, 8. The outer side, and the inner side is 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so if you need to diagnose that which SIM is working or which modem is not working, so how you can diagnose it like that? And the upper upper slot is A and the lower one is B, and the third one is not in use actually. Okay, so while you are connecting the two SIM cards, so always means like it is not like hard and fast, but it is always recommended that you first install the SIM slot in A, like in 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, like that. And then if need, then you can add the second SIM card in the B slot. Then after in front of the unit there are few port, like there is a BNC port which is the SJ input. The second, the full size of HDMI, that is for the HDMI input. Apart from that, there are two USB ports. Uh, so one is the mini HDMI port, so that is for the video return, and third one is the SD card port. So if you need to add extra memory card into the unit for the recording, so that can be happen in that SD port. Then there would be a bag, so you can fix the unit into the bag. And apart from that, in bag there is a USB cable. So if you connect that USB cable into the device on the yellow US sorry that the blue USB port. So from that there is a button on the bag outer side. So from that button you can switch on or switch off the unit. And apart from that, you can start the streaming and stop the streaming. And also you have the idea whether the you are live or you are the means like the streaming is going on or not. Ranpalji, can you show that? Yes, this is the bag, and see in the this is the button. Actually, if you connect that button on that USB port, so it will be blow up. So you just press it on, so it will be switch on the power, switch off the power, start the streaming, stop the streaming.
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
And these are the extensions. So every time there is no need, once the unit will be installed into the bag now, so there is no need to every time to open the bag and connect the cable to physically into the unit. So you can connect your cable to through these extensions. And apart from that, all the, as you can see, there are few chains at the outside of the box. So like on the front hood, you can see the display. From the side you can see the power button, and from the left hand side you can see the network port and that USB port. And from the back side you can connect the Ethernet cable. And there is a lower compartment of this bag. In that you can put the battery and power adapter and other accessories of the unit. And the it's like the lower side of the bag, there is a rain cover. Actually, if sometime you are stuck in a rain, so there is a raincoat, means like for the unit actually. Yes, yes, in this chain, actually, in this chain you can open it and you can found it everything into that. Any question regarding this unit? So that, yeah, please. So this is the, as the power, the unit is on, so you can see currently the camera is not connected. That's why it is not showing the video input. And once the internet connected, it will automatically show you that the unit is online. And the second option is for the store and forward option, and third option is for like on which port you want to go on live. Like there are two server, and into the two server there are 8 port, means like total 8 port and 4 in each. So you have to select that port on which port you want to go live. If it is in green, that means it's free. If it is in red, that means the already the streaming is going on that port. If it is in the gray color, or we can say off, like off condition, like the gray colors, that means the server is not powered on, or there is some issue with that server. That is the thing. Then there in the lower side you will see the camera video return. Currently you do not have that video return option in, with that. But if you have the video written, then you can send the studio video to the field. And apart from that, the files, if you have some recorded media or some that other media, so you can directly send it to the central, from that upload that media.
पंकज जी सॉरी इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Yes sir, please.
ये वीडियो रिटर्न थोड़ा फिर से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. व्हाट इज वीडियो रिटर्न?
Sir, video return is like that. Sometime if like some outshoot is going on,
Okay.
and if you want to display some studio video or like your teleprompter or something on the SDI format, so you just for that same way, currently you have LU2000 server in your premises. So if you need a video return facility, then you need to install a video return server. That is the again the extra license. So through that you can transfer your video to the field directly from here to studio to field actually.
Okay, okay. Thank you. अच्छा, इसके अलावा means other than this means is there a facility to send audio only back?
Sir, see, like
Like
for
इसको
that,
ऐसे intercom use करना हो या instruction देना हो.
yes. For that, you have to install a audio device like this. There are some device like test cam and other devices there. So by default, the one-way communication license is enabled into the list into the server. I mean, like from studio to cameraman, you can directly communicate. But if you need two-way communication, for that we required a license actually, V2 license actually.
Okay, thank you.
IFB, that is called IFB license actually.
Right.
Okay. Now, any question regarding this unit so that we can come on the central and
Questions? आपको कुछ questions है किसी को? Okay, Pankaj ji, abhi they will just practically work and they have more questions after that.
No issue, no issue. Anytime welcome, sir. So now I'm going to share my screen. So are you getting my screen, sir?
Yes.
So once
Yes.
you have installed live login on the live central page, so this type of screen you would have. So this is the left pen. In that you can see how many. It depend on your selection what you want to see on this window. So if I select like that, I am seeing transmitting units, online unit, and as well as the offline unit. Same way these are the points which information you want to see, like camera, lights, LU smart, and multi-point. So how many options you want to see on that? So this is the work pan. Here you can see how many units are online, and once like this unit is online, but you can see the camera is not connected. It is showing the battery status and apart from the unit model number. Same way you can see all the information of the unit. Apart from that, this is the side pan. Once you have selected the unit, it will show you that camera is not connected. Now it on the mode, it'll showing you the you are on live mode or you are on store and forward mode. Here you can see the channels. So how many channels you hear? There are 8 channels. As I have mentioned you, like if the channel is free, channel means like the server output. If the channel is free, so you can see like one channel is free, second one is free, or like 4 channel are if it is on 4 channel are on red color, so that means the streaming is going on that 4 comparatively 4 channels and rest 4 are free. Same way you can diagnose it. If some file is there, you can upload it from here directly, or you can upload it from the unit also. Then this will show you how many SIM cards you have connected into the unit and which port. It is A port or B port. I can show you how you can change the A to B. Then this will show you if you have connected with the Wi-Fi, then it will show you here. If you have connected with the Ethernet, then it will show you here. Apart from that, if I expand this window will open here, then it will add some more window. It will show you the graph of the complete bandwidth and everything, like in a graph format. Then it will show you the current location of the unit where it is live, and same way the condition of the network it will show you on the graph. Now, sorry. Now we can just double click on the any SIM card and modem. So here you can see all the information. Also you can connect the Wi-Fi from the here, just powered it on, and here it will scan, and you can just put the username and password, whatever the setting, then you can connect, and then you can see each and every modem setting, and like its audio video recommendation, like complex or and that third one is the network. So what is the network bandwidth of that unit, and this is the advanced option like IFB delay and video return transmission. So all this information related with this. But the most important thing, if you have the two SIM card into this, so you, from here you can change A to B. So while you are changing from SIM card A to B, it will ask you only this modem or all modem. If you select all modem, then all modem will be switch on to the B option. Chandanji, can you connect a camera on the unit? Now there is, this is the button. If you want to reboot the unit from the central, that button will
कोई भी source रहेगा 300 रहे 600
and this will show you the current battery status, and this is the setting. Again this setting will come, and if you this is the very important setting actually. Like if I select it, so the unit will be stream on the maximum bandwidth. If you want to give a cap to it, so maximum you can stream the data on up to 20 Mbps. Minimum start with the 300 Mbps. Currently it is selecting on the 3 Mbps actually. So if you want to cap your data on the streaming, so you can select from here. Then if you have multiple groups here, it will show you here, and in this group how many units and whatever the settings or servers are connected in here. This option is for if you have LU Smart license, like mobile license. So just click on that, and you will currently you do not have that the license, but if you want to test it, then it can be added here.
video out HDMI
Sorry, are you asking me something?
no
Okay, then the second option is for the file. If it will show you how many files available into the unit, so you can download it, delete it, so depend on the file. Then third option is the device. So in the device you will see the current name and everything of your device, firmware and everything, it will show you. Okay, these are your all units. Then
camera
second,
is connected
sorry sir,
camera is connected.
okay, welcome. Then second option is channel. In channel you will see your all 8 channel and their SJ port name. Then if you want to add some graphic on your video, so from you can upload the graphic as per the mentioned specs here, and you can get the video output with the logo. Then if you want to add streaming, means like if you want to go on like RTMP output, so just you need to add destination and give any name like yes. Then you can choose the streaming type. It will be RTMP, MPEG, TSSRT, or RTSP. Then you can select the service provider. If you do not know, just select the generic RTMP with no authentication. Here you can select give the streaming URL name, and here you can give the streaming key. From this point, you can select the streaming output. So once you start the streaming, that it's like the start the streaming from the unit, and same you will get the SDI output, and one port you will stream on the social media platform also. Then apart from that, if you double click on any channel, so this window will open. So if you want to force any SDI output on any resolution, so from here you can select this option. Apart from that, the same information will come here. If you want to bind any streaming option on the same particular channel, so you can select on this. This multi-point is for, like, if you have multiple bureaus and you want to share your video, it's like your streaming from one bureau to it's like one into one out, or from here to there or there to here, like same way, the both way you can share that. And if you require an NDI output, so that you need to mail us, so that NDI option will be enabled into the unit. So this is the function. And now, as sir told me that, like, currently the unit is on, that VBP 04 is on, and it is 1080i. Now see, this delay, I would suggest you, if you have a very strong network, then you can go with the less than 1 second. Otherwise, it's my recommendation to you, go with 1 or 2 seconds. It is always preferred that you go with the 2 second. If you have, like, currently you have only one SIM card connected with the unit, so in that condition you go for the 2 second. Now first we check the unit is on, camera resolution is coming, battery is okay, everything is showing okay. Now we just select the video output port, and once we select the video output port, that the start button will be enabled. If we want to test the streaming, it's like if you want to test the current SIM card bandwidth, just we can click on this. It will calculate the current bandwidth of that location and show us. Here it will be also showing that how much bandwidth this card is giving you. Means, like, before starting the live, if you want to test the network condition, so for that we can run that speed test. Otherwise there is no need. Now on this now the current network condition is showing, like, we are getting the 3.96 Mbps. Now we can select it. We can start the streaming. Once we click on the start, then the video will be previewed here, and you will get the SDI output from the unit. Now you are getting the current bandwidth, current delay, everything is there, and apart from that, the current bandwidth of the unit you will get here. This is from my side. If you guys have any question, please feel free to ask me. Same way I would edit to same way I would edit into here. Like in 300, you can connect two internal SIM card, two external USB modems, one Wi-Fi, and one LAN connection into there. Rest of the function will be same. Once the unit will be on, you can get the connectivity here. It will show the current net bandwidth here, and everything will be shared. Rest of the settings are mostly same into the unit. Yes, sir. Now you can ask me anything. Yes, sir.
Oh, sure. So,
Hello.
पंकज जी
जी सर, जी सर।
HDMI और SDI है ना, हम कैमरा से दोनों इनपुट एक ही दिया, तो कौन सा इनपुट होता है?
फर्स्ट जो कनेक्ट रहेगा सर वो आएगा,
वही है।
फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व है सर।
ओके ओके। और ये ऑफलाइन का है तो नेटवर्क के हिसाब से, एवरी टाइम यू गो टू स्टार्ट द लाइव,
सॉरी सर, आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है, कैन यू रिपीट दैट क्वेश्चन?
नहीं, यूनिट ऑफलाइन गया था तो नेटवर्क के हिसाब से।
सर आप थोड़ा सा माइक के नजदीक आइए ना, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। हेलो
Chetan ji, internet is low at your end. Take through the laptop itself.
Actually, Shiva is sitting somewhere else.
ओके ओके,
मेरा ऑडियो क्लियर आ रहा है शायद.
हाँ आपका
your audio
क्लियर
is
आ रहा है
clear.
चेतन जी, आपका क्लियर आ रहा है, बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द वशिष्ठ जी ऑडियो.
He is coming here. तब तक एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, ये इसमें कुछ डेटा ब्रिज लिखा था, वो क्या है?
सर डेटा ब्रिज का लाइसेंस ऑप्शनल है.
हाँ.
टू मेक दिस यूनिट एज ए हॉटस्पॉट लाइक मोबाइल, सो फॉर
अच्छा.
दैट.
मींस फील्ड में इसको ऐसे हॉटस्पॉट यूज करना है, ऐसा है मुझे?
हाँ वैसे कर सकते हैं आप.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
पंकज जी,
जी जी सर.
वो यूनिट ऑफलाइन
सर बाकी को एक बार अपना माइक या वो भी कम करिए ना, ऑडियो को नहीं आएगा.
बोलिए. वो नेटवर्क गया तो
हाँ
एवरी टाइम शुड हैव टू स्टार्ट द लाइव, और ऐसा ही रहेगा.
सॉरी सॉरी, अगेन अगेन पूछिए सर.
यूनिट नेटवर्क गया तो
हाँ हाँ,
in here we every time should have to start the live, और ऐसा ही रहेगा.
नहीं अगर नेटवर्क गया तो उस टाइम पे लाइव आपका रुक जाएगा ना सर. सो इन दैट कंडीशन यू कैन यूज, इफ यू हैव डाउट ऑन योर नेटवर्क लाइक सम जैमर और समथिंग, so either you can use the store option or you can use the store and forward. In that condition what happened, the unit will store the data into the unit locally and it will transmitting the data as well. As if the network will down, so the storing will be carry forward, and if again the network will come, then the forwarding again available. Whatever the part you will miss, so you can later on transfer that file manually or from the central or as well as the unit.
वो स्क्रीन सेवर आता है ना, वो लोगो चेंज करने का लाइव आ रहा है अभी.
अच्छा आपका जो आउटपुट आउटपुट में आप बात कर रहे हैं सर.
हाँ.
यस, आउटपुट के अंदर या तो लाइव व्यू की जगह
yes.
लोगो चेंज या फिर लास्ट फ्रेम फ्रीज.
लास्ट फ्रेम फ्रीज.
Yes, yes, that can be.
लोगो चाहिए.
That can be changed. I have share a file with Ranpal. He will share with you. So in that you can just create the same file and just mail to support or me. So we can change it as per your requirement. There is no issue with that. That can be changed.
Okay. Okay. Cameraman is
In manage settings, we have the graphics option. So is it the same as the which you are telling? Regarding
No. That is if like you are getting now, you are getting the SDI output, clean output without any logo or any watermark. If you want to share or you want to send your output with logo or some watermark, so you can add here. That is a different thing, sir.
and they require the IMI number of the SIM modules.
That SIM models IMI number you can get it from here. Or you have to install that SIM card into actually into the this is the IMI number. And if you need, you can just install the SIM card into mobile and get it from the extra information of the SIM card.
ಲೈವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ಬಟನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Any question, sir?
सर एक मिनट. Any questions, Vinay?
Okay, sir.
Sir?
And one more thing, that storage is 15 GB, guys.
Okay.
If the storage is full, it will delete the first file, or how it will?
So
it will not doing automatically. You have to manually delete the file, or you can add the SD card into that if you need a more storage into the unit. So there is a SD card.
Pen drive also we can do, right?
Not it is not recommended. Actually, you go with the SD card always. That will give you the more bandwidth actually for storing.
Yeah.
आप लोग इनके थ्रू पूछ सकते हैं शिवाय जिसको मतलब थोड़ा तकलीफ
ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತು ಒಂದು
पंकज 2 मिनट पंकज जी 2 मिनट है वो लोग डिस्कस करें
Sure.
चंदन यू आर हैप्पी
Yeah, I'm at remote place. I'm able to listen.
I am happy you joined the meeting.
Okay. Most of their questions were regarding the storage after crossing restricted storage, as well as how to get IMI number, and they want the Vistara logo to be placed in case there is a break in video or ended. That's all.
Thank you Chandran. So Shiva, should we close? End the meeting? Then I will close. Pankaj ji, thank you very much.
नहीं हम यूज करता हूँ कुछ
ये लोग यूज करके बाद में जो भी है I think they will.
Sure. Welcome, sir. Thanks the team for giving your precious time. If you have any question, Chandan sir is having my number, so he will share with you, or you can directly communicate with me or Chandan sir. There is no issue with that. Chandan or Chetan sir and Ranpal is there to help
Sure.
you. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time. Okay. Bye bye.
We are ending the meeting now. Okay.
Thank you, Rampal.
Oh.